When we first started the company, we were basically just one market, one product. That was the irrigation market with just what we call our Thompson filter.
It was an opportunity I couldn't pass up, and we essentially built all the first, I don't know how many filters, he and I built them personally together.
I consider one of the best or the best product out there in the market.
It's a very simple product that does something that isn't so simple.
At the beginning of the company, they had a patent on the Thompson strainer, and now it's used not only in the irrigation business, but it's used in around 17 different other applications.
People buy from people buy from companies that they really trust.
I have a passion for that, to make sure that the customer's taken care of.
We have been working on improving the products that we currently have and developing new products that we feel are going to be the key to our success moving forward.
You know, hey, great market here in the United States, but what about Europe? What about Asia?
The future of water begins with all of us. Miller-Leaman brings water to life.